Okay, so we went and got some supplies yesterday because our plans have changed. We were going to use a metal framed prefab thing we bought, and it's way too small. So we're going to start building with some wood, the Coop. But we also got some things of shavings and stuff for them. They're not chicks, so. And then some feed. And some roost laying boxes. Let's see, some screws and stuff. So yeah, got all that ready. We'll have to go get more stuff too, but it'll be a good start to get things going for today and hopefully get them in there by the end of tomorrow, because we need to pick them up. We've already ordered them, so not ordered them, but reserved the ones that were for sale. So anyway, I'm not sure if you guys can hear the cows. There must be a ton out there. They're a ways away, like quite a couple kilometers away. Well, actually, not a couple, I guess, but a kilometer or so away. Quite a ways. Anyway, that's what we accomplished yesterday. Not much, because we bought this, and we're gonna like reinforce it and stuff. But anyway, it's 6 foot right at the top there. So to walk in and out of that and try to get everything cleaned up and that in there, for me anyway, not gonna happen. So as you saw, all the wood in the back of the truck, that's just, we're gonna make beams to go across, and then obviously across the top and the bottom, and then wire mesh out there so they can't get out. Things can't get in, I mean. And then we're gonna put a little either tin roof or a plywood and tin roof or something across so that it stays dry under there. But other than that, let's get started. Put that in a bit so we can see. I don't know, what is
6'8". It's getting worse. This is center.
So say 101.5.
What's the first one? We don't need the level one.
Put this right at the top here.
Yeah, it's definitely the shortest one. Let me make sure we're okay here.
Hey, stop moving.
Okay, I'm good here. Nice. Okay.
Let's measure this next one. Go and hold it. Not very centered. Good?
Yep. Good. Looks good, babe.
This is day 3. 2.5 kind of, but here's what we've done so far. Gotten the frame up. And forgive me if I slip around a little bit here. It had freaking ice rain last night, of course. So it's a little slippery. I'm going to get my crampons for our feet on. So don't slip as much because I don't feel like twisting my ankle up or my knee or anything. But anyway, that's what we've done so far. We modified our build a little bit. Well, actually, a lot compared to that metal frame over here anyway. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good though. Has a long way to go. So today we're going to work on the netting at the bottom. That comes out a foot or two, or a couple feet I think. So things have a harder time getting underneath. Today we'll be also doing hopefully the whole netting all the way around this level. I don't know what crampons are. See, you can put them over boots or anything, and they got the they got little spikes and stuff, so you don't slip in the ice. Handy things. First time I've ever used them actually, but pretty cool. We're using 3/8 by 3/8 21 gauge mesh. Seems pretty sturdy, so I think it'll be all right. I know there's a lot of different opinions out there about all this stuff, so I think that should be pretty strong though. And it also prevents little creatures like weasels and stuff from getting in as well. So I think it's a good size and good strength. All right, do you want to bring the blade to me? The saw?
I have the little silver one in the garage, but it's got no staples.
Stop for a sec. No. This is all buckled. Day 5 of the chicken extravaganza. Not much different than day 4. So we got more wood, some straw and all that because it was a good deal, and a bunch more wire in the back of the truck. Okay, so today's goal is to get up the rest of the metal fencing because we've literally driven probably like 7 hours to get all the metal. Jamie? We've probably driven 7 hours to get the metal, and that's why we're not getting like 6 foot length ones and stuff too, because they just don't have them anywhere. Everywhere, or they're too expensive, one of the two. Like this stuff we put on the back here, I don't really like it. It's too fine. I know people will be like, oh, that's plenty, you're overkilling it. I understand that, but we don't want to lose them. And then, so I'm going to put a board up in between these two, so this can be fastened in the middle, all the way around probably. Because we found some decent wood yesterday for 5 something for 16 foot long pieces, so way better than we were paying before. Anyway, so yeah, do that, and then I don't think we'll get to the roof today though, but I was going to start doing the roof. That'll be in the next episode, I'd imagine. And then what else? Oh, we're going to go pick up some solar lighting so we can light up the outside, and then one for the inside that is on a timer for this time of year. And that'll be it. So let's get started with this lengthy job today.
Oh, there we go.
Told you, getting the right tools makes life easier. Sometimes it's worth, obviously we don't want to buy 2 of these, but it's worth spending extra money.
Blue jays have a moon.
Right about there. See? That sucks that in.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
It's 2 hours till dark, so we should be able to get a lot of it done.
Oh, I'm fading. Oh yeah, that's fine anyway.
Yeah.
Like, it doesn't look superb, but
Looks fine.
that's gonna do what it needs to do.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. That worked nice. Why would you wreck it? Uh, 136. So about here is where it was.
Okay, take the top one.
Yeah.
Are we gonna light this out on the ground?
Nope.
Okay.
Probably should pre-drill this, but second one's pretty sturdy. Oh, it's gonna be room for. Yeah, it's different on the bottom of the top though.
Yeah.
Well, this isn't fully extended out to the top either.
Yeah.
So they're not straight.
No.
That'll fit.
Yep.
Because we're gonna put the board up anyway, so we'll be okay.
Okay, so we gotta do the other end?
Yeah. Okay, here. Oh, jeez. Hold on. What the f... Apparently it's... stripped or something. That was weird.
That was a rough one.
No kidding. Just gonna take the hinges off the old gate. They're pretty good, so I might as well reuse them.
It's actually not a bad gate.
No, it's just not high enough and everything.
Yeah.
Otherwise it'd be fine. Especially if you put mesh on it.
I wonder if the chickens will like playing in it.
Yeah, probably. You can do like a ladder thing on it or something. I'll do it later though.
Yeah. Oh, that's got wet nice and tight there. Looks nice too.
Oh.
Did it do it?
Yeah.
Yay!
I'll put one more in here though, the top one.
Slide up right to the corner.
Okay, is there any gap here at all? Like there's nothing there?
No. Yeah, it is. Perfect.
I wouldn't say that, but it's good.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Way sturdier.
Yep.
Oh, is this one long enough? Oh, Jess. I might go buy another. Oh, I don't need it yet, but I should buy another one of these. Lasted a long time.
Yeah.
I don't mind it. this started.
Okay. Get out of the camera. I'm taking a picture of the door.
Why?
There we go. Okay, I found two more. It looks too high. Oh, the board comes on the side of it. I forgot. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. We should have one more part to this. Excuse the dog chewing her toy behind me. We should have one more part to the series here, part 3, coming up shortly. If you watch this video before Christmas, Merry Christmas. If you watch it after, hopefully you guys had a Merry Christmas, and if you celebrate Christmas. And Happy New Year as well, if we don't post another video before New Year's. Anyway, thanks for watching again, and trail cams are at the end as usual, and please like, subscribe, and comment below. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you soon.